They're building towers that are high enough to see the clouds, yet it don't bother me. The elevator's working overtime up and down, yet it don't bother me. 'Cause I need something more than everything, a higher self deep within. 'Cause I need something more than everything.
Saya, Sylvester Laksmana, menerima engkau, Princess Lee, sebagai istriku yang sah dan satu-satunya, mulai saat ini hingga seterusnya. Saya berjanji akan setia dan akan bertanggung jawab sepenuhnya, baik pada saat senang ataupun sedih, pada saat kaya ataupun miskin, dan pada saat sehat ataupun sakit. Saya berjanji akan mengasihi, menghargai, menghormati, dan akan hidup bersama-sama berdua dengan rukun dan damai. Dan hanya maut yang bisa menceraikan kita, sebagaimana perintah firman Tuhan.
A higher self, and I know we need a little higher hope. I know we've gotta outgrow and feel a little higher hope. 'Cause there is something more than everything. So feel the love and let it in. 'Cause I know we need a little higher hope. Hard hope. I know we've gotta outgrow and feel a little hard hope. 'Cause there's something more than everything. So feel the love and let it in. 'Cause I know we need a little hard hope.
Raspberry wine, your body's a map I will follow into the sky. So what you got is all that I want. It's all that I want. Still that's not enough. It's not enough, 'cause we're on fire, walking love's highest, burning wide. Helium hearts, we're falling skyward. Whenever we're